At least 31 separate avalanches had been reported as of Friday afternoon. 4 Swedish citizens and their Austrian guide have been killed in an avalanche near the Austrian-Swiss border.
The avalanche occurred in the Austrian state of Tyrol in the Swiss municipality. Tyrol's Emergency Control Center confirmed. Swiss Mayor Alois Jager says the whole community was deeply saddened and expressed his condolences to the victims' families. Authorities in Austria are warning considerable risk of avalanches in the western part of the country after 9 people were killed within 24 hours. Police say 8 people died in 3 separate incidents in the states of Vorarlberg and Tyrol on Friday. The following day, Tyrol authorities reported the death of 1 person near the village of Schmürn in an avalanche, and the 2nd person was missing. Officials warn skiers and snowshoers drawn to the Alps amid the sunshine that even slight tremors could trigger a snowslide. A new round of widespread cold wave sweeps China, bringing chilling weather and heavy snowfall to many regions across the country.
According to the National Meteorological Center, the central, western, and eastern parts of China are in a wide range of snowstorm, even blizzard in the vast areas, while moderate to heavy rain hit the southern part of Yunnan Guizhou Plateau and regions south of the Yangtze River from Saturday to Monday. Rainy and snowy days in southern China will last until February 11th, with parts of southwest China's Guizhou province and central China's Hunan province experiencing freezing rain during the period. Authorities have reminded drivers of icy roads and low visibility in their Spring Festival travel rush. Previously, many parts of China have already been affected by a round of cold snap in the last week.